Hey guys, Laura Spaulding here, where we talk about real estate, personal finance, and business. Today we're going to talk about getting riches in the niches. Today, guys, we have a client that called us back in 2018 when his mother had passed away and she was an extreme hoarder. We gave him a proposal to do the work and he just couldn't do it at that point. He was super emotional about it. So we kept in contact with him, and now we're in 2021 and he is ready to let go of this house. And you are going to see kind of how I walk through with it, what the house looks like now, and what we can take it to. Okay, so like when you, in terms of the stuff that you want to keep, do you want the furniture or do you want
honestly like
items?
It's little trinkets and like memorabilia type stuff, like things like in here. Honestly, like most of all of this is just garbage to me. Like,
okay.
You know, it has rat piss,
yeah,
and roach, whatever all over it.
Okay, I was looking through some of our old photos. It looks the same.
Yeah.
But I don't think I ever made it back there.
Yeah.
Man, that's a big room there.
Yeah,
So it's 3-bedroom then?
Yeah, it's a 3-bed, 1, 2, 3, and there's a bathroom back there. There's bathrooms right here.
Oh, okay. What about the AC? Does that work?
The AC did work, but there's something up with the air handler.
Where is the
air handler's in the garage.
Okay.
So,
But did the roof get replaced before she passed or after?
before she passed.
Before, okay. So it's not that old. Let me take a look at the outside of it.
Yeah, I literally.
Holy smokes.
Yeah, not too bad.
Oh god. That is a big ass tree.
Yeah,
Oh my god, that's huge.
Yeah,
And it's got a palm in the middle. Is there a fence on the other side?
yeah, there's a chain link fence. It's only like 3.5 feet.
Alright, so how long have you been getting these code enforcement things?
I've been getting them for a few years now, just because of like letting them go. But I kept up with it and I cleared the property and I did what they asked.
Okay.
I've just been keeping them at bay.
Alright, I'm assuming there's no mortgage on it, so
No,
that's
no,
good.
the house
At least
is
you
paid
know.
off.
Okay, so
There's no insurance currently on the house.
this is a major rehab, that's for sure. What's on the other side of this?
We call it the middle yard. There's a way out from the garage leads out here.
Okay.
And from that room out there is a sliding glass door.
What's inside of it?
Grass, stuff, overgrowth.
Shrubs. Okay, so there's more overgrowth in there.
Yeah.
Man, this sucks. It's like a big weight on you, you know?
It truly is. And
It would be a lot.
I've been dealing with it for like the past 5 years. I mean, like I've had relationship struggles.
Yeah.
I've had emotional turmoil because of this.
Well, yeah, you have nobody to help you out with any of this. It's all on you. Yeah. All right. Oh man, this is a mountain for you.
It is.
Definitely.
Yeah, there's a lot in the garage. It is a lot of stuff, yes, but it can just come out no problem.
Right.
Because a lot of it I don't want.
So Laura, what's the goal for today?
Search and rescue. This is trash. It's got a hole in it. Any other boxes? Like new stuff?
Not much.
What's it like back there?
I mean,
Same.
There's a mattress, clothes, more clothes. There you go. Yes.
I don't think there's anything that he's gonna want in here. We might have to go from the other way now. From the inside, all I see is a washing machine, a water heater that's ancient, and that's it. And everything else is wood and trash. This is an extreme level 5 hoard. Dude, I bit off more than I can chew on this guy. Out of curiosity, how did the door end up like that?
Eventually, we just dusted it so many times, it just came off the track, and think the spring is okay, but like the way it was
Oh, I got you.
wound on, I think that side is messed up. I don't want this to be a long, arduous process.
No, I
but
get you. This is like mentally taxing for you. I get it.
yeah.
Did you want to look at any of these drawers? I don't know if there's like.
There's probably not much of anything. Just like makeup and stuff like that.
That's exactly what it is.
Yeah, that's stuff I don't need.
Jimi Hendrix.
It's Pepsi glass.
Yeah,
Full of
keep
just
that.
random stuff.
Looks old.
Yeah.
Jimi Hendrix. Keep that. I just noticed that. What's the other one? There's two of them.
Yeah, they're in plastic, so.
Yeah, yeah.
There's a lot of outside on the inside in here. Whew. Can I get a box of bags?
No.
Here, let's just do an assembly line. Let's get this going. So there's a lot of work going on in this house. One thing that I didn't anticipate was the roof, because the seller told me that the roof was relatively new, and the part where the ceiling is caving in, I inspected the plywood and it actually looked brand new.
Yeah, that was old damage from before I had the new roof put on.
So what apparently they did was they spot replaced it. They didn't do a full replacement, and it needs a full replacement. So that's an additional $10,000, $11,000 that I wasn't anticipating. Now, the house was built in the 50s, so I typically always anticipate plumbing and electric. And I would rather be safe than sorry. While everything's opened up, I want to replace the plumbing and the drain lines all the way out to the street. That typically costs about $10,000. In my opinion, it's money well spent, because you are good to go for probably another 50 to 70 years, which is longer than I'll live. And the electrical is shot. It's knob and tube, it's cloth. You can't even get homeowner's insurance on that stuff anymore. So that's imperative that we upgrade that. So we've got a lot of moving parts here, and some of the issues that we're running into is the subs are so busy that we're on a list. So we're trying to time everything perfectly to where the HVAC comes, the roof comes, and the electrical and the plumbing, and they're not tripping over each other. And that's really hard to do in this market because everything is so crazy, hectic, and busy. My plumber's 10 days out, so that's 10 days that I lose, plus another week for him to do the actual work. So that's rough. So I'm gonna have to go back to the office here and draw out my new floor plan for this place and kind of modify my original scope of work, because I assumed that back bedroom had a full bathroom.
He said that was a shower at one time, but they converted it to a closet.
It's gonna be a shower again.
I don't even remember this existing.
We never made it this far. It looked like a bathroom. I was told it was a bathroom. I couldn't even get back there. Well, apparently they closed off that shower and made it into a closet. So now I got to turn that back into a bathroom, which is another expense that I hadn't anticipated. So this is why it's super important to plan for contingencies, because you never know what you're gonna see, especially when you can't even see the whole house. So this is the first time I was actually able to walk through the entire house and my mind was going crazy because I'm changing the floor plan because it just doesn't flow at all.
Yeah.
This whole place needs to be rewired.
It's a start over.
Yep, in every way.
Yeah.
This will be a normal long-term rental. So the biggest cost so far has been the landscaping. We had $7,000 worth of just tree cutting and bushes. It's so overgrown. So this is going to be quite the renovation. This was the eyesore of the neighborhood, and it's about to look the best in the neighborhood. We are 2 weeks into our rehab here. It's all coming together. We've got a little closet right here, a double vanity. We were running new kind of can lights here, brighten it up a little bit. Everything's brand new. The ductwork, the air handler, the outside unit, it's all brand new here. Almost the entire house needed brand new. We're gonna put new gutters on, some new soffits, and then of course, you know, get it prepped and ready to go before we paint it. So we're in here in the second bathroom, and as you can see, you know, we've got some unfinished stuff here. Not cool at all. Not happy with this at all. You know, just filthy. Nothing cleaned up after themselves, just little mistakes. Our rehab is 100% done. I'm excited to show you kind of what we've done.